What if your next side hustle didn't come from a job board, but from a DAO? People are earning $500 to $1,000 per week, contributing to decentralized communities. No boss, no office. In this video, it'll show you exactly what a DAO is and how real people are getting paid. In Web3 Empire 001, we break down blockchain money the smart way. Let's explore how DAOs are changing the way we work and how you can plug in. What is a DAO? Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The DAO is like an online company, but instead of a CEO, decisions are made by the community through smart contracts. No HR, no managers, just on-chain governance and mission-driven contributors. Examples: MakerDAO governs a stablecoin. Bankless DAO creates Web3 content. Gitcoin DAO funds open source projects. Many DAOs post tasks for writers, designers, marketers, and devs on platforms like Dework, Wonderverse, Coordinape. These gigs pay $100, $500 each in stablecoins or governance tokens. 2 core contributor roles. Once you show up consistently, you can join a working group. These roles often pay $1,000, $2,000 a month. You don't need to be a DevOps, need content creators, researchers, and community builders. 3 governance and grants. If you hold tokens or participate in voting, you may get access to community funding or retroactive grants. Gitcoin, Optimism, and Arbitrum have all rewarded active DAO voters. Getting started safely? Join DAO Discords and forums. Start small, contribute in discussions, or submit proposals. Avoid sending money to admin. DMS scammers are everywhere. If you're ready to earn in Website while doing what you love, hit like and drop it in the comments. Subscribe to Web3 Empire 001, and this is how we build freedom in the decentralized world.